In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Find My iPhone for someone else. This straightforward guide will help you locate their device and offer the assistance they need. Let's dive right in. Before you start, it's crucial to get permission from the person whose iPhone you're going to track. This ensures you're respecting their privacy and are authorized to access their Apple ID or device for this purpose. Once you have that green light, you're all set to begin. Next, on your device, you'll want to open the Find My app if you're using an Apple device. Alternatively, you can visit icloud.com/find from any web browser. Both options allow you to move forward seamlessly with tracking the other person's iPhone. Once you've accessed the app or the website, the next step is to sign in using their Apple ID and password. It's important to have their credentials handy, otherwise you won't be able to proceed. Ensure that you keep their information secure and respect their privacy while helping them out. After you've successfully signed in, you'll see a list of devices associated with that Apple ID. From this list, go ahead and select the particular iPhone you need to locate. This will point you to where the device is currently, or if it's offline, its last known location. With the iPhone selected, its location will appear on the map if it's available. Seeing the device's location can be highly reassuring and is the main goal of using this feature. You'll get a better picture of where the device might be found and can plan your next steps accordingly. In addition to tracking the location, Find My iPhone offers several useful features you can leverage. Depending on the situation, you might find it helpful to use options like Play Sound, which causes the iPhone to emit a loud noise to help locate it nearby. Lost Mode allows you to lock the phone remotely and display a custom message with contact information on the lock screen, which is particularly handy if the phone has been misplaced or stolen. In more serious cases, you might consider using the Erase iPhone option to delete data, protecting sensitive information from getting into the wrong hands. Finally, once you've achieved what you needed to do, it's vital to sign out of their Apple ID account. Doing so helps safeguard their privacy and keeps you secure as well. It wraps up the process neatly, ensuring all steps have been taken with thoughtful consideration. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of how to use Find My iPhone for someone else. Following these steps will help you assist those who need a hand in finding their lost iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful tips and tutorials.